I'm Professor Denise Gross, and I teach digital media and design at Florida Gateway College. What makes FGC an ideal place for students to start their journey in digital media and design? The most important thing is we have small classes where students get individual attention.
I would say the professors that I had, they were really understanding and patient. They took their time with you and they were hands-on at making sure you understood the type of tools and techniques that you need to use.
They come and they talk with you and they help you get through things, and it really makes it a lot easier.
So when I think about what made me choose digital media and design program at MGC, it really comes down to being the perfect place to explore my creativity. The program combines so well the traditional art classes with the digital media and technical side of the things that there's never a dull moment.
The classes at FGC I'm taking mostly center around Adobe products, which is industry standard right now. I'm also learning the basics of animation and photography and videography, and basically it's just a general all-encompassing starter pack for everything to do with digital media and design.
Some of the software and tools that our students learn in the program, the softwares would be Adobe Photoshop, Illustrator, InDesign, Adobe Premiere.
Photoshop, we've all heard of it. I thought it was something that you just mix a bunch of images together to make something different, but it's more
You can bring in a digital photo or artwork and be able to create something of your own.
My most exciting program has to be Illustrator. You get to be a little bit more creative. You have a little bit more wiggle room to do different things, put different patterns together.
Adobe Premiere is your videography app. It helps you edit videos. It helps you use audio tracks.
The Figma program dealt with learning how to create interactive user interface apps, websites that people could interact with.
The projects that our students learn with and work with are projects that they would encounter in the real world. In our interactive design course, it is a course where students learn about user interfaces, usability, and just audiences and different types of users. And one of the projects they do is they create a website mock-up.
The Cookie website is one of the first projects we do. It really teaches you how to look at an interface and make something that can be used on the web.
I had to learn how to put patterns together and colors together, what fonts complemented each other well enough to make it engaging for the viewer.
the Cookie website was definitely a fun assignment to do, and it gives me knowledge on what a client would want and how structured they want it.
One of the things we do in all studio courses is critique, which is where we speak as a group and we just look at everyone's work and everyone gets a chance to talk about their work and everyone gets a chance to get feedback.
And it's different depending on if you're in digital media versus art. In digital media, one of the things I do is act as a client. For example, we were talking about the Cookie website, so I act as the owner of that business and what I might want to see more of. And we will have the students not only make the design, they have to actually present.
I try really hard to find opportunities for students, but I also try to look out for internships. I just had a student apply for an internship with a gaming company in California.
I have a student, Jillian Jack Klaus, who is in the process right now in the UK doing an internship at Harlexton College.
Harlexton is this very beautiful Victorian manor house, and you're kind of out in the English countryside.
And they wanted to take the opportunity when they were studying abroad to capture photographs and see what they could do with their training.
For Harlexton College, I am a social media intern. I work with SEO, the Student Experience Office, to document student trips, student activities. The digital media and design program, it gave me the skills I needed to be able to branch out and do this internship.
This class is the reason I am in a current internship. I am a audiovisual student assistant at Florida Gateway College. We do
video production, we do lighting and audio for anything at the Performing Arts Center. You know, there's a video wall, but when I think I first saw like everything come together like at this concert that we just did, I was in awe. We also do like the podcast, we do photo shoots. This job ties back to my degree like beautifully.
Florida Gateway helps you to basically set up your career for where you want to go, where you have your most passion.
It's a very positive space, no matter your skill level.
My advice will be, stop waiting for the perfect moment to invest in your future. Take the risk of starting something new today to gain clarity tomorrow. It's one of the best decisions you can make for your creative future.
If you're interested in potentially taking one of our courses, come by and see us, look at our lab, look at our facilities, and let's sit down and chat. Let's find out what you want to do, what you're thinking about, and let's see if we can make it happen for you.